What's going on, everybody? Mr.C growing for B. That's right. Finally pulling out the West. Look at this baby. Dual exhaust. Look at this. Got mechanical dials right there. But look at that beauty. Alright, let's figure out where we're going to put this baby. So, we already know where the lights are going to be. So, what I'm thinking, we're just going to put it, put it horizontal right in between the two HPSs. Hang it right up here. Got the two little studs here. So we go, got the braces. And I just freaking manhandle this little bitch here and just freaking, I don't even know. So we got some brackets here on the bottom, some aluminum brackets. And, all four corners, and just tied it up with the hatchets, or the ratchets. Got some really thick ass ratchets, and just did corner by corner, each one all the way up to the chains here. And then I measured out the chains, but we'll see how it goes here. But little by little, a little bit over 100 pounds, and it was a bitch to fucking hang up, but I did get her up. It is a nice little unit, you know. It's only a 110 pine every day. It's only drawing probably 7.4 amps, so it's pretty nice. But it's gonna do good. It's gonna do good in this beauty here. So can't wait. I plumbed it up and everything like that. Can't wait to freaking get it going here. I appreciate Quest freaking helping me out here. Got the little P-trap, did it right. Got the level out and everything. So much love. You guys keep growing on. Subscribe and like. And tell a friend. Keep growing on.